and until I make us an embekasa from the African politician.
No matter.
They are benefiting no matter. One will say obie kwemu say yem konkwa.
Yatu abanawi.
Exactly.
Yatu abanawi.
But at the time I yenyan to aba a fit 12 match ne dear. No more boy koko. And a Ghana for money say you.
You busi campaign ni mo a health work.
Exactly.
Peace match.
Say you PM
jogging.
Unim the entire.
Rally.
And no.
Whistle stop. Whistle stop. Whistle stop.
Etimunya say.
Whistle stop.
Niye huri fly away Peter. Niye kwaha. Mampeni yankasa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Oko campaigner. Eya hwenkrofo mu behia no. Whether social distancing, eya dia omo observe. Whether nose mask e bi hye omo ana. At the time o mampeni gina simpie so. No ye montu aban mame no. There was not even a single day o mampeni His Excellency Nana Addo ka say, "Hey, and I kind of former bar piece to say there be campaign
me ba hey. Ni say the nipa no aba peso no there be way there.
There be way there. And the COVID beba mejai. Wanye bida. He campaigned. The opposition leader, former President Mahama, I was expecting say obi a wo pa akonwa sen abedi. Wo du baby ankrofo abo apeso no. Wo say, "Hey, meti president pen. Me sen abedi." Enti Ghana for me say mon committee campaign mejai. Omo ye bi.
Bien hon ma wo hunu sa sabi nyansa no.
Omo ye bi. Information Minister Kojo Bianho no maye all the update and na COVID na say I'm not any campaign and Crawford Bo peso when to me and Bosumbo say me na me Information Minister me mamo update
you know meba I mean bisa simbi COVID iba yi sa wote COVID-19 tracker wote meba wote COVID-19 tracker
CJ, message.
Somebody make car, bo.
I say me na go fabe. Ya launch ya bon hunka. But you see, a do be a politician no a be benefit in India. Ni refi say ya real system no. Now ya to a bury. O many a bomb so say, "Hey,
and Jafe na praise for you."
Of course. Ya to a bury you.
And Jafe praise for you.
Ya to a ban there. Ya can say police for enforce. But ya to a bury.
Number me back question me bisa. What do police checkpoint? My police for no and who say trotro ni. Ma mun mask ni nyina obi ansi fam. Obi ansi fam.
At the time
na ma mun mask no kwa monko as a deterrent.
CJ. At the time on mampeni easy restrictions no. Obekaya not the number of persons I fa our public transport yet so me because of social distance.
Yet so
cars are there supporters no ediomoko campaign grounds. You observe social distance home.
Ebia fo a tipper truck and a trailer. Uncle accident. Uncle Showman.
You observe social distance. What are we talking about? Yeah, when we I think you bet now say you observe at the time ana benefit no. Now when him say bibi wa friend social distance nose mask. Let us stop this in this country.
Was he?
I didn't hear you, sir. CJ, and I know how much meba. Me hun kola mienu or babako or nini be makitwa. Was son in sa arches or munam kwai adenta ho baby. Initially, none can be some more lift and I'm see debbie. We are seeing lift you will come a crow be by James or be kidnapping college because I didn't o cranning your kitwan sa or munina say no mask. Walking that distance, Eko Peka Ako school. Na me bisa me ho say akola ketwa yi nose mask e hye no no nam former by the time obekwa kodu trotro station afa trotro na enfifre ate no nose mask yi afọ egusu ebe hye no or the befa trotro akọ school nose mask na afọ no ohome okodu school wasen ahye the number of hours obedi was school. Can you imagine that little boy that little boy Beshen no smack, sir. And then you dear with all due respect to Mampeni Semo Bekaina, where BM CJ, I'm one person and I mean supported that say Mampeni be school and Kayem be a fin cola and Cosim penny for. I'm one person, I don't support it.
Well, see, my main kind South Facebook posting.
Oh, dear kind.
Miami Penny said Kwame Boateng. And what do we have to favor? Just this morning, I saw a number of primary school and SHS students going to school. I was shocked to see some without face mask. I stopped to ask And the response was, it is in my bag. Some primary school pupils I saw were holding the mask and were playing with the inner side. May God save this country.
Of course. May God save this country. And are we saying, say, Sakolana, say, Kwame Boateng, who any dear Miss Me who are dentano, and see police for in enforcing it on Betty Sakolana.
Sene and a pewuja ubakwine, free fee.
Some school.
Or the mask and a channel. Bye bye, or the next school basim, or call. Saba Frano. O 2 and 9 you don't know obey mask on free at watching a crowd be do school no kana mask on anything and shano
because mask and you're comfortable
and shano
in the first place and you're comfortable and I'm calling kitchen no be an mask no to me whom you I was here again and nothing at some of the schools I must see a motor humidifier at the classroom said a bay and calling about man say nose mask because nose mask wow we are penny crowd nose mask no and so what is saying na akola when you're 5 years akola when you're 6 years or be nose mask for number of hours. What are we talking about? Please your best of company the destiny of this country ya dia man or swear to protect every single citizen in this country. A canny oath and we ye we now one kasa who boom run so because we ye campaign. No why ye campaign every ya to a bama. I feel near Ben Force. Abba.
Me a penny be. Now when you say me there, but many you close pa.
Yeah.
Or you be an same will be or mammy and sa. Now never penny no mono. Or university, or by 27 years. I only didn't come on. Last week, my friend Madame Fono, I mean, or James, no one don't cry, no home fano. Now, Abeko Hospital, ain't Yawadano, and a call hospital. Wednesday, no around area by 1, and an abandoned friend catch me say, you're the call hospital. Because see, Thursday. Me wa rehearsal multimedia rehearsal you call no atimota new station honum studio bi honum Kate Kojimai on a rehearsal me honor the band friend say Poppy free na omode ne call ya no mo ye test no na COVID. See in less than 11 hours as at the time me information no Wednesday any Thursday we are no ne band friend no na pa no Oko.
CJ. Oh, asem na no waka no.
See, yeah, this is the virus we are talking about.
CJ, me say ene. You subjecting all the supporters party chita for now. Campaign em no mo bopis on yen testium. And ki be hu the real number of cases are e won my mo. We are not testing. I'm telling you.
Oko.
Just like that. Of course,
and Abofrai, Nankane Papa no, University be Nanko masters. Papa no, our Baba sponsor Abofrano, Amana Coin masters on a COVID Kuno.
Sijoko sanity. Oh, a year, Yana Mentiasie. Come on, Wanafi, or Moody blame better media, and media is supposed to educate, and media is supposed to.
Nobody, media look at the media farmer. Not Adumafem, not just you. Not Adumafem, not just because not even one day. And a Maba Jumedia Swa, young COVID, young COVID was him, and a pebia. We talk about it. Yes, we are. Protocol says we still do it. Yeah. Media, dear. Nobody can bring that blame here. Obian will bet me blaming media.
And
Yasuna ding.
Adibakwa ekayem ne yayem shishie allegedly. Any sa cases na obi koye tester. Positive, not ye change but negative. Allegedly, they say we call social media. It's all over. Man for Kikaso more the evidence. What evidence be indeed? Fabra. Yes, they say yeah, Joe 500 Ghana. Allegedly, near change or results from positive to negative at the amount. If indeed a no cry. if indeed a yanokra
and any encoda
adentina was here yes sir so be a tested positive and was say ye didn't quire resabia no mo shane ho tony ye no because ye pese ye painting picture no enti ni ye to negative why enti for once ye to mean dino cry enchre ye
ye frunti
ye to mean dino cry in the name of 500 Ghana
ye frunti o
ye to mean dino
ye frunti I mean 88 ye frunti
I know Mampeni kasa me rehoy CJ and I was thinking
now the fact say sa news train here ye kan ho asemi ye wo mo free amano ne ba en kan no mo ye adwuma in enclosed spaces wo no mo transmit
CJ and no Mampeni
let me tell you something mama can we are more akasa
sure
you better blame politicians no we can blame them all we can but say the blame ni nyina so come politician no me and the name be agro because we will expect the politician to come and put a mask on our face
CJ onim the entire ya blame
our destinies are in our own hands Kofi
yes
because ya so do you
Mampeni kasa but onim the entire ya blame no ya the politicians because powers ni nyina krom and no Mampeni kasa lockdown obi an shefi obi a be shefi obi ani wo be pie wo kai mra ye call lockdown na a krom aye empty why because the president has spoken and then no Mampeni kan ye mfa nya adwuma wo kroma ye de be ye adwuma but won CJ if free bibi walk the talk wo kasa CJ ye say no a wo ye penny wo adwuma mu ye expect say wo penny no so samra na wo si CJ mfa so no wo so be diso na ehun sampa ba won country CJ say CJ wo kwa de hye nose mask na Katie beba na Justigo e buy on shebi na hey CJ ade na wo nhye abro no won shebi that is not it enti your best room and I no pay that is right there emma all politicians leadership by example. Maybe I'm so disappointed at the time I know my campaign the course as they say I'm beside me yes and CJ dey kwa ahoma so bra
Arabano 6.3 FM mame enko ahoma so na mene Dr. Dennis Edu JC Okasa dema Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists mene no entwetwe enkomo press release Wamo ede abeto abonte mene no entwetwe enkomo doc what me kan hello doc hello yeah doc what me kan
Bajo mi tonga pa
me mo official pa
afen comment yesa
de nyame ase se bibia abokode
yesu adom comedy
ansa na yebeba mo press release no so kra no me bua me kakra mo makoye medical laboratory scientist bua me explanation kakra se ye ka se virus bi enya new strain exercise
yo the charity for any lab before with this pandemic right from time I be Ghana from March 12 2020 these frontliners are abojuma to the risk of their life and that is a professional calling much Ghana for lab for now strain strain of a virus it's a virus for now coronavirus I can't watch ade bi a friend is a spike protein and I say virus no picture na I say ahinche bi a nemo tuatua so the spike proteins me nema emaye hu se or a virus no nyina no aya na ade bi so akata ho aya beka say the envelope enti said the mean virus no in terms of molecular structure no in the spike protein no ebia or be do you be in a so as I admit to your home be do you and I say I admit to your home no crano ne tenten no ayɛ sɛ matches tenten we matches baako a ebi a ne tenten no ɛna or assuming a new strain because the virus is always reproducing. Also, no more no nearby may mention. No back penano, which means a papa in whom that is the way they or mono. Santanyama Nipa was a baby. And Gawaju no more premium. Now call 9, now calling watching, now could do you here. And it happens in the very shortest possible time. In arranging their molecular structure and protein development. Over here, no be a PMA or not the spike proteins crowns or no, maybe if you do you know what you do watching. And I say, you do you know, but to say at the same matches, I attend as a chinchinga ban. And I say, acquire shorter than what we know already. And said your body no declare who be no. You say, Uhuna or bar, a foreign substance, into body no, the immune system try to fight that particular thing. Into another body no enemies. Yeah, vaccine, a possible say, Sana, Yasha vaccine no. Yama, a boy, I may say vaccine no. It is a consistent clear depend. Not a quiet at the fufu. Emma Diana, we may say it is a new strain. But the good news is that ABA vaccine you develop for this virus. Sa the treatment home you do me no. You have say a a virus no se sakura immune siade e work on a corner ne middle biano et said the
okay.
If we use that approach and you develop a vaccine, that's a term biano we call it the conserved region of the molecular structure no. And no, the producing the proteins. In this the Tembia and Cesar. Then that is where we targeted in producing the vaccine. Say, yeah, they no a system. That's a system who any other that will follow up, the system will be able to catch it up.
Okay, Doc, internet, Bisa, so Eda COVID no, Yehuno Ghana had 12 March 2020. And it's a new strain, yeah, can't want to mean. So, Dantemo, Doc.
And who's a sequencing no sequencing periodically up to November. Sequencing no actually say you talk of homologous saying that it's seven. You see, is a mimic DNA tester. DNA test of my children and ma. Now you heard the level of similarity saying DNA essay and only the Becca say possibility say akurami yembano let's say 99%. And the up to November that virus no said you see who no and in the free Wuhan ne other countries no the similarity was more than 95%.
Okay.
There's a emphasis that they say to me who the figure are president the trigger and rano but it shows say and sister ye abba the omuhu among the travelers tested positive from November basis brain. But there have not been any suggestion to say and society might cause the vaccines that we have now not to work because there have been no report anywhere. Well, the fear is what they have identified in South Africa. Say, in society is so much. Say vaccines are maybe I cannot handle the strain. Then yes, there are some of the strains and the change. For now, COVID started here about 6 to 7 of new strains that are developing. And all of them, the vaccines that have been produced, is known that they can handle them. The change has not been so much. The change is such a way, we are highly infectious, but it's not lethal. Say, nipa don't go to me in term essay first, but say, the virus has not assumed that stature, and that is why we hope and pray that we'll be able to arrest them before, say, or we change, straight to the point that we might not be able to chase it again.
Okay.
And it's very synonymous with all flu viruses. And until flu and katano, because their change is so rapid, it's so swift, and it happens over a short period of time. Say, the change, a drastic and complete overhauler, then you tend to have a serious pandemic on your hands. And that is corona, as we are dealing with now.
Okay. Doc, on the issue of vaccine, then vaccine, what type of vaccine protein? Ena ye here say ba say ye vaccine bi atum Ghana hanuma ya swahwa ajatuma necessary vaccine be doc
vaccine no be the global health community ajatum na say your mRNA virus vaccines your DNA vaccines and the global community ajatum I started using in other places now I believe we will equally go in for. And some vaccine conspiracies now so omo person omo target 666 omo person omo ship population that's in there. Trust me, sir. We have trials on my with all the vaccines omo use. African population is the least among the group of people who on my trial. And there is no substance in the fact that will be percent or targeted them. And can you no more the trials no? Yeah, na trials when it comes to COVID-19. On my year among the white, the most of the thing is working, and now any other who gets the opportunity is likely to pick it up. The mRNA virus, on the say, the other virus on the quite of us and spike proteins, are the and the on my year the molecular structure say the manipulate Diana, a bit me read the message now, code in that structure. No. Now the pediano at the spike protein in the air body. And the why a war vaccine who produces RNA treat your corona no honobi. Who produces a non-infectious is nothing corona, but we are giving that resemblance and that similarity. Not after body no DNA because it is foreign, it will now produce an antibody against it. In such a way that coronavirus, Papa Pano or no the body can now quickly arrest it. It's one of the fastest way I had vaccines. But now we are here for now, and they will about body more. Is it going to change your molecular structure? Is it going to change how you approach things? Is it going to really help you? Say now when you see similar viruses who almost said they are part of your system. But this corona has given us a process in testing the fear that we have had over the period. That me vaccine in a quicker time. In the video, cancer this is a known technology, but the fear was, can we use it? And COVID has come to show that it will help us in a quicker manner to get vaccines. The scientific community has done well, and for me, the opportunity you should be Ghana. God being so good, fight this pandemic in a quicker manner.
Okay,
it's not a bigger problem at all as we see on social media.
Doc, as we speak, COVID cases Ghana and you know. How did we get here? Because at the point, saying home running, we've managed it well. Africa had to say, the whole world had to say, but now we are recording 297 cases, new cases, according to Ghana Health Service website. And pay a Doc, how did we get here?
A two-pronged approach in the ABMA used to say. One, on the side of the law, and two, the responsibility of citizens. And on the side of the law, no, one, we want to say, COVID protocols, no, I would say it was out of a panic, which is acceptable because that's our time situation. Let's deter people and get them to be responsible. Indeed, for me, having a law say, I bet I do 12,000 Ghana cedis, and I do go jail for 4 years or so, no. It should have been deterring enough for all of us to be responsible. But unfortunately, over a system now, it's not so easy for you to make such an implementation. It has been a call many people have made. Let it have a social orientation. Say, that's a COVID protocol. Offer a social service. And they are there, all around.
Offer a social service, you know. And they say, excellent. You know,
Odona alone is enough to handle even COVID protocols around circle. Get them to work. Save the government some money of dredging. But what you here, and no will be okay to get people work to do than say obeti in a day who could not second ko nipa e beti omo e de omo court I ko 12,000 Ghana cedi fine and I do omo come for 4 years in a day or two our prisons will be full and nobody can go further implementing the law. There is something that we have to take a look again because I see say the law enforcers any options in dealing with people who flout that particular law. The other side, no say, the gravity of the situation because the who for fear. COVID said the name say ban a matter. Said they not Spain for survive and Yahunica. Said the Italy suffer and Yahunica. And people have relaxed. They say, wow, question mask. You are the odd one. Obiaba who says, Ada Udi Unigana Habiana. Adena Unqua that social mask. So we have all at that side relax on these protocols. Institutions. For Veronica Bucket, you for boom, for seminar episode. Bebrena Veronica Bucket is using Ari including issue seminar. So we've all relaxed in one way or the other. Social distancing. I said the Nanka cars and we are but now we've all abused it. People are going back in their normal way. They are packing people. Choir as soon as market dates from places. So we all need to take up that responsibility in our hands because when the situation gets worse, we are the ones likely to suffer. And I think that is the way me who say Amaya Babi agree. And say it if all of us can go back and make sure we do the things that we were doing. It wouldn't have been perfect at that time. But I believe that it helped us to hold a situation is never wrong. Say but you can say come back to them. Be respective protocols. Wear your mask, do the social distancing, wash your hands. And let's make sure that we avoid a larger crowd and gathering.
Doc, as parents, and your man go school, and we are quite worried and concerned. So, with the current picture, you who Ghana, and then Mofrano Kwamo Eco School. It will come up to your sir, Doc.
Maka say Yankaya Kuma and 3 a.m. Because trust me, sir, with the exception of going to school, everything has been a normal way of life. But let's be stricter on our measures. And sorry for your CM pound 2 hours. Let's make sure we all obey that. And sorry, but I can tell you that most people are now sending their kids to church. But me, I've seen instances my kids go to church. And for now, you're making sure, say, protocols, or more mask. School or more your mom said the necessary distancing and measures, a teacher for no more now or more or need the capacity to handle the class size or mama the director of education and communicate and let them know how they can help you manage the level of the numbers of students that you have at your place. COVID trust me, the other day I was asking one of my kids, why not know you're the best friend? First, you will be saying, we would have been a number for in the classmate. And the level of this situation, the progress of the nation will stagger. We need to go to school. We need to start somewhere. When the situation is mounting, I think we can have a way to manage it.
Okay.
And I assure Ghanaians that lab before COVID-19 testing, you crams to say you will be 18 facilities.
18 facilities
in advance. 18 facilities.
Okay.
And plans are far advanced. Say 10 to the level. Say most of the regional hospitals will now have a testing facility. Say situation around those places can easily be handled. All testing labs are producing results within 48 hours. And I think, you knew but it is not bad. And the assurance is that when it comes, there will be a test in real time, quick time, produce results to isolate and manage cases in our schools. Parents should be assured that the lab is now having that capacity.
Okay.
And though we pray more to be added, it will help us in managing the pandemic.
According to my release, apart from almost started testing during the peak of the pandemic, Accra, Kumasi, Takrade, Tamale, Masanso, Enya, other facilities, is that correct, Doc?
Other facilities are Bekawa. Yes, I did a 10 about Bekawa. In fact, 10 of the FDA kits bi a ye cry we say gene expert maybe ye ka say TB machine na ye dey TB no etimu ye covid nti saa nneɛma no bi ne yakra bi aba binum EU so sɛ deɛ me ne wo ka sɛ ebi ahyɛ aba bi wa ɛwɔ FDA hɔ ɔmo yɛ remu the very moment FDA releases those things about 10 more facilities have become here. We can be talking of 28 to 30 facilities that will be doing COVID-19 testing in Ghana.
Okay. Doc, mame na say bia bibi ho ma de betwa to ana ya fancy ha na
me da say na de be kan say who say COVID-19 frontline workers. Nema bebre ho na aban no bo no more than 50% allowance of your basic insurance bi oyema for health workers. Omo mo contact tracing so na motivation bi o ho up to now we are still picking pockets of information say them crop for bebre na ansan ka omo de e could do facility na we ka ho we your frontline sa nema na ma we get a lot of lamentations.
The issue, sir, debate to know why na your frontline worker, why na your frontline still now in settle yet.
But be that so. Who say we any in the facility level because it was the facility authorities that also modified or more normal year COVID. Into a whole normal year validation on the acquire TS Camon.
Okay.
And we picked reports right from April last year. They bring in San Kirby. And I'm not sure it's only among the lab. Maybe there might be other health workers who have similar complaints. And in this week, our students anticipated that they are likely with the rising cases. You may hear the testing facilities of the frontline workers. In order not to breed apathy, they are buying them on short to sign them out.
Very
These
important.
are things that shouldn't cause problem for us at all. And only admonishment, must are buying more modern. On settle now the granting among our personnel members, and conform so that we don't have this as an albatross hanging around our neck. But that's the new opportunity at Mudiamaya.
Dr. Dennis Edu JC, a PR, Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists, and I'm in the community. Ebinie. Well, upon the judgment phone on me contact tracing, no, and once I'm not doctor. There's allowances be as a woman saka since April. Ebinum de mai nti sisi ya new strain unity cases ekwosuri. Roman Peninsula no waka 3 T's. Ani ade ye adwuma.